Hello everybody, this is Tailstone360 coming to you with another unboxing. I know I've reserved two Beyblades, Beat Links and J Jupiter for the tournament, which is but I went to Kohl's and just got myself a pair because then I got Autobot Ratchet. I've been waiting for him. Yes. I just wanted to get his gun, sort of, and this sort of, and he's, whoa, way too much. Because Kohl's isn't a store that you go and buy toys, though. So that's why they're priced a little higher. Ratchet, I saw reviews and he's in his school, and his mech tech is a cannon, cannon to a buzzsaw, which he normally should have. Like I said, my Bumblebee review um will be after this review, sort of, I think. But let's get him open. Sorry about that box. Gotta love mini knives. I know I should have like a box opener, but oh well. The Transformers are a little harder to unbox because I can't do a review at the same time with them. Okay, I'm gonna save the box back. Oh yeah, it advertises Starscream. He's upside down. Oh, I'm planning to get him. Here's his instruction manual and poster. Let me open the poster up first. Let us see this coolness. Ooh, sweet. This looks so awesome, guys. I have MechTech Bumblebee. Here's all the MechTech weapons you can hold. Create new with Voyager ones. You can combine them. There's Optimus, Ironhide, and there's Optimus with Ironhide's weapon. You can attach them into any car. Then here's Voyager, Optimus and Megatron. Megatron, I think, is really rare to find. It's Bumblebee, Crankcase, Ratchet, Starscream, Roadbuster, and Skids. And also here's the Cyberverse, which I think would be okay, but there's Leader Bumblebee, which is crud, don't buy him. And here's Sentinel Prime. I'm keeping the poster, don't ask for it. Let me cut these guys off first. My super duper little scissors. Booyah! Also, my 100th video is coming out, so just be aware of that. After a few, I'm playing super special stuff in it. I'm saying super special because and I've made it this far. Here's Ratchet, and here's his. Sorry about noise, guys, but there we go. There. So Ratchet can hold it two ways. He can hold it flat way or the gun way. So his MechTech works. It spins like so, like various gear. Because his saw blades open up to here. Let's prove that theory. Okay, here we go. Okay, what's magnetic here? Okay. Let's put it on the guitar. Let's see. I'll show you. It fell over, so it does spin though. The toy looks really fun. Put it up here. No, wait. Do it like this. Do like that, or have the gun this way. Which I think I'll prefer this one though. That. So I'll have to get used to transforming him, and stay tuned for my next video.